Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Technical Realm. In today's video, I'm going to show you a 100% working trick for a common issue faced by most of the viewers user. In fact, so what they are basically facing is they are unable to receive their verification code or confirmation code on their device. So as a result, they are unable to create their account on Weavers. So today I'm going to tell you a 100% working trick that when you will apply, you will be successfully able to receive your verification code from Weavers. So first of all, let us do the same procedure to create an account on Weavers. So I'm going to open my Weavers app. After opening my Weavers app, let's wait. So after opening my Weavers app, I'm going to click on agree. Let's get started. It is asking some basic permission that we all have to apply, that we all have to allow, so that we can create our account on Weavers. So I'm going to agree. Let's get started. After that, you have to select your language. So select your suitable language. After that, I'm going to click on next. Again, after clicking on next, it will ask me to log in or sign up. So I'm going to click on login or sign up, and after clicking on login or sign up, I'm going to click on continue with email. So after clicking on continue with email, I'm going to fill my email ID into this field. Okay, so I'm going to fill my email ID. After that, I'm going to click on next. Right over here, I'm going to click on next. After that, it will ask me to sign up. That if you are not having an email ID yet on the Weavers, you have to click on sign up. So I'm going to click on sign up, and after clicking on sign up, I'm going to click it will ask us a password. So I'm just going to fill it, and I'll be right back. So I know this is not the topic of the video, but still, those who hadn't yet noticed the terms of creating a password, let me explain this to you, because many of the people are having the issue in creating a password, like viewers didn't accept their password. So the main problem is this: you are not adding, you have to understand the policy of creating password on Weavers, right? So most of the app applies the same policy, that is, you have the password characters should be minimum of a minimum length of 8 to 32 characters, and the main thing, it should contain one or more letters, that is ABCD, and one or more numbers, that is 1 2 3, and one or more special characters, that is hashtag plus minus underscore, like something like that. So I have already created my password, and my password is okay. After that, I'm going to click on next. After clicking on next, it will ask me some username. So I'm going to fill my some unique username. So make sure you also fill some unique type of username, and I'm just going to click on next after filling it. So after clicking on next, I'm going to select my nationality as usual. So here you've got two options, that is if you are South Korean, so you can click on South Korean, and if you are not South Korean, you have to click on other than South Korean. So for any other country except South Korea, you have to click on other than South Korean. And now I'm going to click on OK. After that, I'm again going to click on next. After clicking on next, it will ask us to agree all the terms and conditions. So I have read this oh my god, I have read this terms and conditions, so it's okay. It is a usual terms and condition that is asked by most of the app on Google Play Store or like social media, so you have to agree all. After that, you have to click on next. After clicking on next, you have to get notification about the events. So you have to click on that. You will not be able to miss any upcoming recent latest updates from Weavers. So now I'm going to click on yes. After clicking on yes, it is showing that a verification code will be sent to my Gmail ID. So you can see I'm right now waiting for the notification, but there's no notification of the email. That is, I'm right now I'm unable to receive any email from the Weavers. And let me highlight it, there's no email right over here. And so I'm just for double check, I'm going to my Gmail app and see whether if email has come or not, verification email. You can see there's no email right over here, there's no email right over here. So I'm going to apply the trick I was talking about. So what you have to do is, you have to first of all you have to go on the app settings, right? So first of all you have to go on settings right over here. First of all you have to go on settings. After that you have to select application from the settings, as you can see right over here. So after clicking on applications, maybe all the application will start showing up after clicking on application on your phone, but this is Samsung. So I'm just going to click on application manager after clicking on application over here, right? So I'm just going to click on it and then select Weavers from it. So after, let's wait. Now as you can see, my application are showing right over here. After scrolling down, you will find Weavers over at last, because it starts with letter W. So after that I'm going to click on it. After clicking on it, you have to click on storage, and I'm going to click on the first option, that is storage. And first of all you have to force stop the application, force stop it. I'm going to force stop it. You can see you have to click on force stop and force stop the app. After doing so, you have to click on storage. After clicking on storage, you have to click on clear data, and after clearing the data, you have to back to your Gmail app. Now after going back to your Gmail app, you have to click on this drop down menu present at the left top side of your Gmail tab. So I'm going to click on it, and after clicking on it, you have to scroll down, right? So you can see I'm scrolling down till end, and after scrolling down you'll find an option called contacts, right? So it is present right above your settings, or settings button. So I'm going to click on it. After clicking on it, it will just redirect me to a app on Play Store to download. So this is a app by Google LLC, so it is purely safe. So you don't need to take tension about if whether it is safe or not. So you have to just directly install this app. It is of a few MB, so you will not have any problem of storage while downloading it. So let it download. So it is installing. Let's wait for some time. This trick is 100% working, and now after you will see this later in the video, that is it is working. So I'm just going to wait and let it install. So as you can see, it is installed, and now I'm going to open it. So open it, and after opening it, what you have to do is allow all the permission it is asking you, and these are some basic permission, and it will not steal your data, so please do not take tension. And after that, you have to click on the plus sign present at the right bottom side of the contacts app. So here you have to click, and after clicking on it, you have to select your account, right? Your Gmail account right over here, you can see, right? Your Gmail account which you had. This is something to be noted, that the Gmail account you have used for the verification of your your Gmail your ID on Weavers. So I have already selected, it is already selected my Gmail ID which I had used on the Weavers app. So I'm just going, now you have to back the app. You didn't have to clear the recent screen. You just need to go back to you just need to go back to your Google. You have to go to your Google search engine. After that, please do not clear the recent screen. Just left it as it is. After going to your Google search engine, you have to click Weavers. You have to search Weavers email, Weavers support email, right? So after searching this, you have to just search this over, and after that you have to, at the top search result, you'll find an official site from Weavers, and you have to click on it. Right over here you can see an email. You can directly or copy this from here, or you can also visit the site. So let me try copying it directly. So it is not directly copying, so I have to visit the site. So let the site open, and let's wait. So you can see an error has occurred, and this error is occurred because my cookies are turned off right now. I'm going to turn on my cookies. You can see this right over here, how to open the cookies. So you have to open it in Chrome. After opening it in Chrome, you have to click on this 3 dots right over here, and after clicking on these 3 dots, you have to scroll down and click on settings right over here. After clicking on settings, you have to scroll down, and you have to click on site setting over here, and after clicking on the site setting, you have to click on cookies over here, and after that you have to turn on the cookies. After turning on the cookies, you have to back to your site which we were trying to open. Now refresh the site by scrolling down the link right like this, and after that you'll see that this site will start opening. So you have to click on continue with PC right over here. Right, I'm unable to show this option to you because my the marker options are coming over here. So I'm just going to click on continue with PC. After clicking on continue with PC, I'm going to zoom it, and here you can see a support email by Weavers. After, maybe the video will be long because this is I have to explaining is more important than the video length. So no meaning to explain that if you didn't understand what I said. So here you have to copy this email from support. This is something to be noted. Please listen this carefully. You have to copy this from support.io. okay, so I'm going to copy this email. For your convenience, I will also mention this email ID in my description box, so you can either copy it from there too if you have a lack of time or you are confused between the steps I have done. So to make your task easier, I have also mentioned this this email ID on my description box, so you can write copy down from it there, copy it from there, and after copying it, we are just going to copy it. Click on this copy option over here, you can see, and after copying it, just click on back, and just remove Google from your recent tabs and Chrome too, and you have to now click on the contacts app we have left in our recent tabs as it is. So I'm going to click on it. After that, you will be given with a lot of fields to fill while saving your contact. You'll just need to ignore all of them. You just needn't fill them, and after that, when you scroll down, you'll find an option called email. Right? You didn't need to fill any of the other options. You have to just fill the email right over here. I'm just going to fill the email and paste. After pasting the email I have copied from the Google and Weaver site, I'm going to save it. Right over here you will see an option called save, and you have to save it. After saving it, now you will be able to receive Gmails from Weavers, like verification code or any emails from Weavers in your Gmail ID or in your emails, right? So if you are an iOS user, you can also you can just do the same procedure with your email app and save this ID in the contact, so that you will be also able to receive the emails from Weavers. Now let us check whether this trick works or not. So after clicking on, after that you have to clear all the recent tabs. I'm going to click on clear all right over here. I'm going to clear all. After that, now I'm going to open my app, and and reapply for the sign up process on Weavers. Now I'm going to do the same procedure. I'm not going to explain it again and again so that you get annoyed. So I'm just going to directly do this and this and this, and continue with email and filling the email, paste. Oh no, he get it. After that I'm going to fill my email. Email, what was my email? I forgot it. Oh my god, people forget password and I feel I forgot my email. After that I'm going to fill my email and I'm going to click on next. After that I'm going to request verification, and after requesting for verification, let us wait for the email to be sent to us via Gmail. So let us wait. Oh my god, I'm getting goosebumps whether this will work or not. Oh, I have tried it before too. It will work, surely will. Okay, so now I just visit my Gmail app to make sure my email has come. After visiting my Gmail app, let us see whether the email has come or not. So the email didn't have yet come, so wait for some time. And here you can see our email is over here. Congratulations to me. So after clicking on it, we are going to verify our email to show you guys that this trick really works, and it will also work for you. And after clicking on you can just see the whole email right over here, and after that I'm going to click on verify email. After clicking on verify email, let the email to be verified. So we are going to wait. And now you can see you successfully created your Weavers account. So now you can see, as you can see, I'm going to continue to Weavers. After that you have to click on continue to Weavers. I didn't need to explain these steps to you because I have already made a video on this, but still I'm just going to follow the same steps so that you will believe that this trick really works. And after that it will again ask us to log in or sign up. Now we are going to log in. That time we were signing up, and now we are going to log in. So we are going to just fill our email address as we had filled before. After that I'm going to click on next. Now at this procedure we are going to fill our password. So I'm going to fill my password, so I'll be right back. So as you can see, I had successfully filled my password. That means I'm not suffering from Alzheimer. Oops. Now I'm going to click on next over here. All the time this next option just comes to. After that you can see that my account has been successfully created. So as you can see here over here, so as you can see my account is successfully created. So I hope this video helped you guys, and if it does, please make sure you like this video and make sure you subscribe my channel and press that notification bell so that you will not be able to miss any updates from my channel in future. So even if I am 100% sure this trick will gonna work for everyone, but in case at least there are 1% of exception. Even there are 1% of exception everywhere, either than chemistry. So for that 1% of exceptions, let me tell you guys that if you will try using some other email, you'll be able to receive the verification email. So try doing these things and you'll be able to receive your verification code.